Good morning, students. Yesterday's the class is the fine. Are you understand? Okay. Then today the topic is the lesson number 1, the universe of solar system, and the worksheet. Okay. First of all, in the worksheet, after in the continues the class. Okay. The continuity in the class. Okay. The first moment worksheet in the first moment, filling the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The first one, the universe. The universe was formed after dash explosion. Dash explosion. Okay, answer is Big Bang. Answer is Big Bang. The second question. Dash is the center of the solar system. Solar system. Okay, the answer is sun. Answer is sun. The third question, the word planet means answer is wanderer. Answer is wanderer. The fourth question, at the time of perihelion the earth is dash of the sun, dash to the sun. The answer is closest. CLOEST, closest. Okay. Then fifth one, earth is inclined by 23.5 degree. Okay, and a half degree. Fill in the blanks. The first one, the universe was formed after Big Bang. Answer is Big Bang explosion. Sun is the center of the solar system. Answer is sun. The word planet means wanderer. At the time of the perihelion, the earth is closest to the sun. Earth is inclined by 23.5 degree. Okay, the first row means is finished. Check the answer mark. Then second row man. The second row man. Match the following. Second Roman. Second Roman, match the following. Match the following. Okay. The first one, hottest planet. Hottest planet. Then the ringed planet. Ringed planet. Then third one, red planet. Fourth one, summer solution. summer-shelling planet. Then fifth one, coldest planet. Coldest planet, okay. Then Mars, Neptune, Venus, Saturn, Uranus. Okay, the hottest planet, the correct and the match the following: hottest planet, ringed planet, red planet, summer-shelling planet, the coldest planet. Okay, the correct answer: hottest planet Venus. Number 1. Ringed planet Saturn. Ringed planet, red planet Mars. Red planet Mars. Summer-shelling planet in the Uranus. Fourth one. The coldest planet in the fifth one. Okay, it is the hot planet, hottest planet Venus, ringed planet Saturn, red planet Mars, summer-shelling planet in the Uranus, coldest planet in the Neptune. Coldest planet in the Neptune. Answer the following. Third row, mind. Answer the following. How many planets in the solar system? The second question, name the inner planet. Inner planets. Third one, name the outer planet. Outer planets. Okay. The three question. Answer the following. The three question. How many planets in the solar system? How many planets in the solar system? 8 planets. 8 planets in the solar system. Solar system. 8 planets in the important word. Underline the important word. Okay, how many planets in the solar system? 8 planets in the solar system. 8 planets in the solar system. Name the inner planet. Name the inner planet. Okay, it is the sun is the nearest planet is the inner planet. Okay, nearest and small planet. Okay, the inner planet. Then first one, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. It is the inner planet. It is the inner planet. Okay. Then name the outer planet. Name the outer planet. Jupiter. Then Saturn, Uranus. The last planet Neptune. The last planet Neptune. Okay. How many planets in the solar system? 8 planets in the solar system. Name the inner planet: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Name the outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, are you clear now? The worksheet is finished. It is now starting in the yesterday class is the continues the class. Okay, it is the class. It is now universe of the and the solar system. Universe and the solar system. Universe and the solar system. Okay. Okay, the first one, the inner planet. Inner planet, then outer planet. Outer planet. The inner planet is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. It is the inner planet. It is the size of the smaller than size. Okay. Then the outer planet, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It is the far away in the planet. It is the biggest planet in the outer planet. The size of the biggest planet. Okay. It is the made up in the inner planet is the made up in the rocks. Inner planet is the made up of the rocks. Outer planets is the full of made up of gases. Full of made up of the gases. Okay. It is the composed in the rocks. Composed in the rocks of the surface of the inner planet. Surface of the inner planet. It is a mountain, volcanoes, and the erectors. Okay. Then they full of the made up of the gas. Then none of the inner planets have the rings on the orbiting them. All of this outer planet, it is the rings orbiting them. Okay. It is the explanation. The next one, the explanation in the 8 planets. In the first one, Mercury. First one, the Mercury. The names the word of the planet's name, the Wanderer. Planet's name in the Wanderer. It is the planets in the solar system. Wanderer means it is the planets in the solar system. Is the how many planets in the solar system or solar family? 8 planets in the solar system. 8 planets in the solar system. It is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It is 8 planets in the solar system. 8 planets in the solar system. The first of all in the Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet, the first planet, then the smallest planet. The smallest planet, okay. The first planet, then the smallest planet in the solar system. Smallest planet in the solar system. After in the named is the Mercury is the messenger to the bodies in the airless and waterless. Airless and waterless. Airless and waterless. Okay, it is the Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet. Okay, it has the atmosphere in the experience extend the temperature. It is a no natural satellite. It is a no natural satellites. No natural satellite. Okay, no natural satellites in the Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet, the small planet in the solar system. It is airless and waterless. It is a Roman goddess in the Mercury. Roman the goddess in the Mercury. After in the Mercury can be the invaded in the morning and evening. Morning with evening with naked eyes. Naked eyes in the sky. Okay, it is the tiny of the Mercury. Okay, it is the tiny of the Mercury. You see the sky. The next planet in the Venus. Next planet in the Venus. The second planet in the Venus. It is the Venus is the hottest planet. The hottest planet in the solar system in the Venus. Okay, it is the second planet in the solar system. It is the hottest planet in the Venus. Okay, it is the Earth of the. It is the almost the same Earth and the size of the Earth. Venus is almost the same shape. Okay, are you understand? The same shape. Okay, then the Earth, then the Venus. It is the same shape. Okay, then Earth, then Venus. Okay, it is the same shape. Almost the same shape. It has the longest rotation period. It is the how many days? It is the 243 days in the rotation of the Earth. Okay, in the sun. Among the solar system, it is the Roman. It is the name was the morning star and the evening star. Morning star and the second planet Venus, the hottest planet, the second planet in the solar system or solar family, the hottest planet, the Venus. Okay, it is a morning star and the same shaped Earth and Venus, the almost the shape of the Earth and Venus. Okay, it is the morning star and the evening star. Morning star and evening star. Okay, you see the sky and the morning or morning it is 5:45 and 6 o'clock. You move nearer in the brightening in the star. It is the Venus, and the evening time is the 5 o'clock or the 5 to 6 o'clock. You see the sky. It is the brightening in the star, only one star. It is the Venus. It is the Venus. Then you called the evening morning star and the evening star. Morning star and the evening star. Okay, are you clear now? It is the morning star and evening after the moon in the brightest natural object in the night sky. Okay, are you clear now? It is the Venus, the second planet in the solar system. It is the hottest planet, the same shape almost the Earth and Venus. Okay, are you clear now? Then after in the rotation in the how many days? The 243 in the rotations. Okay, then otherwise in the morning star and evening star. Morning star and evening star. Are you clear now? Okay, children. Then after in the Earth. After in the Earth. Earth is okay, then Earth is a living planet. Earth is a living planet, watery planet, blue planet, okay, etc. The name living planet, watery planet, watery planet, then blue planet. Why Earth is a blue planet? Watery planet. Why is Earth is a living planet? Living needs for the living things. Okay, needs for the living things. It is the Earth is a living planet. Why watery planet? It is a 71% of full of water, then 29% of land. Okay, then it is called Earth is called a watery planet. Earth is called a watery planet. Then 71% full of that color in the you see the map. You see the map. It is only the land. It is an India map. Only the land. It is a world map. Only the land is the 7 continents. Only the 29%. Okay, it is a land full of the water. Full of the Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. It is the full of the water. It is a blue in color. Then otherwise the name was the blue planet. Okay, are you clear now, ma? Okay, you see you take your map, you see the picture, and then the blue in color in the water, they increase the blue in color, the decrease in the white in color in the land. Okay, then blue in color in the water, that is a watery planet. Earth is a watery planet. Okay, Earth is a watery planet. It is called the watery planet because the 3/4 of water, 3/4 of the earth covered by water. Earth covered by water. Okay, it is only the planet known as the support of life. Okay, support of life. Support of life. Okay, then Earth is your living planet, watery planet, blue planet. 71% water, that 20 water. 71% water, then 29% land. Okay, it is a support of life, support of human life. Okay, support of life, all in life. Okay, then it is the earth, the polar in the diameter in the Okay, the earth is revolves around the sun. The speed about the per kilometers 30 kilometers. Okay, 30 kilometers per second per second. Okay, are you clear now? Then the presence of land and water. Earth is a presence of land and water. Life is a possible earth because the presence of land and air and water. Land, air and water. The only the natural satellites. Only the natural satellite. The earth is a moon. Okay, it is a natural satellite. The third. The fourth one, Mars. Mars is the red planet. Red planet, it is the next one, the Mercury is the second smallest planet in the Mars. It is a red planet in the Mars. Okay, it is the son of the second smallest planets in the solar system. Mercury, it is named in the after Rome god in the Rome god of war. God of war. Okay, then another one. It is it is full of appear in the red in color. Appear in the red in color. That is called the Mars is a red planet. Okay, are you clear now? It is appeared in the red color. It is called the red planet. Mars is the red planet. Okay, it is a human atmosphere. It is also the polar ice. The polar ice, the caps of the earth. Caps of the earth. Okay, the fifth one, Jupiter. The fifth planet in the fifth planet in the Jupiter. Okay, the biggest planet in the solar system in the Jupiter. Okay, the largest planet in the solar system. Largest planet in the solar system. Solar system. Okay, Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Then after it means the named of the god of king. God of the Roman, the god of king, the Jupiter. Okay. Then after it is called the gas of gain planet. The atmosphere made up of mostly the hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and it is made up of the hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. It is made up. The Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. In the largest, the god is the Roman god in the king of the god. Okay. Then it is made up of the hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. Okay. Then the next one, Saturn. The sixth planet, Saturn. The sixth planet, Saturn, in the ringed planet. Ringed planet. Okay, the ringed planet, it is the Saturn planet. It is the ringed planet. Ringed. You see the picture in it is a planet, Saturn planet. It is a ring. The cover by the ring. That is called the ringed planet. That is called the ringed planet. Okay, in the solar system. It is after in the Jupiter system. After in the Jupiter, it is a Roman god of agriculture. It is a shortened Roman god of the agriculture. Roman god of the agriculture. Each and every planets in the god of the sun in the god, red planet, and the king of the support of the life, king of the god, agriculture. It is one of the planets. Okay. Then the natural satellite, the largest number of the natural satellites. Okay, number of the natural satellites. Natural satellites. Number of the natural satellites. Okay. Then it is the shortened. Uranus. Next one. Uranus. It is the the summer saluting planet. Summer saluting planet. It is a Uranus. Summer saluting planet. It is a green in color. It is a made up of the green color. Green in color. Okay. The Uranus is the green in color. It is the presence of the methane. Presence of the methane. The presence of the methane in the Uranus. Okay. After in the great god of the sky. Great god of sky. Great god of sky. God of sky. God of sky. Okay, the next one. Neptune. Neptune. Okay, the last planet in the Neptune, the 8th planet in the solar system. 8th planet in the solar system. It is the planet is the coolest planet. Coolest planet in the solar system. The last planet Neptune. Last planet in the Neptune. The 8th planet. Okay, from the sun. They are the strong wind in this planet. The planet, the strong wind in the planet. Okay, strong wind in the planet is the Neptune. Okay, the furthest planet in the Neptune. It is the 8th planet in the solar system. The coolest planet. The strong wind in the planet. Strong wind in the planet. Okay, there is a strong. Then it is the named after Roman god is sea. Okay, god is sea in the the great Roman is called the god is sea. Okay, god is sea. It is the Neptune is the 14 natural satellite. 14 natural satellites. Okay, 14 natural satellites in the Neptune. Satellites in the Neptune. Okay, the largest being the planet because of the distance from the sun. Distance from the sun in the Neptune. Okay, the 8th planet in the solar system in the explanation. It is that 8 planets in the god is in the sea, agriculture, in the ringed planet, and the god is king, god is sky, then the god is sea. It is many of the Greek, the Roman in the says in the planet. Okay. Then after in the Neptune, it is the one of the coolest planet in the solar system. Coolest planet in the solar system. The striking the blue white the further Neptune help of the distinguish from the Uranus. Distinguish from the Uranus. Okay, Uranus and the Neptune. Okay, it is a difference between maximum in the same in the Uranus and the Neptune. Okay, thank you students.